back to another YouTube video. So right now, my brother made a Nerf gun that is super duper powerful. Round one, and that was round one. Here comes round two.
Explain it though. Explain what we're doing.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna have his Nerf gun over there. Shoot that tinfoil. 3, 2, 1, go!
We're doing the normal one first, and then a modded one second. It's a normal one. Did absolutely nothing.
Normal one did not go through.
Okay, normal one did not go through.
Hold it a bit further.
Let's do next now. Okay, let's see what the results are.
Clean strike.
I shot two and the second one right through the same hole.
Oh my
and hit
god.
Luke.
Clean.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Round two coming up next. Round three, guys.
Like this.
Okay, it's round three. We're gonna do it. And 3, 2, 1.
No.
That did absolute no damage.
This one might or may not.
3. Go.
Hold it further away. It's just hitting the couch.
Oh my god, that did some big damage.
Just tore it apart.
Took plastic grip.
Big damage. Okay, round 4, come in next. Okay, round 4, let's go.
Normal one.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is plastic bag. Normal one does not go through.
Oh, that
Does
made
not go through. Let's try it
a
again.
little bit of damage. Wasn't that tighter?
One more time.
No damage on
no
the
damage.
It's like
plastic
brushing it
bag.
away and then hitting you.
No damage on the plastic bag.
Okay.
What is all this?
Round 5 will be next.
Those are tasteless now.
Okay, it's round 5. Paper bag. Let me get out of here a bit. 3, 2, 1, go.
Nothing.
Nope.
Normal one. Nothing.
Okay, next up we have a cup. Oh!
No
No
damage.
damage.
Paper bag. Hold.
Yeah, next up we
Nothing
have
but a really loud
a
sound.
Styrofoam cup.
round 6. 6. Let's do this.
Nothing.
Nothing.
All right, let's do the super powerful one.
Absolutely annihilated.
The darts are stuck in it.
Absolutely annihilated! Let's show them the cup.
Annihilated.
Annihilated. Jeez, guys. Jeez.
It could probably dent a can, but
Yeah, it probably
don't have a
could,
can.
but-
it's obviously not going to break through it.
So if you end this video, please subscribe, leave a like, and yeah, search out Bonus Nerfers. That was his channel.
Why?
And so good. Bye.